The court has no jurisdiction. Court is making no orders today. He has to be released.
Thank you very much, Judge. I sorry for being out of pocket, but thank you for, I own you guys now. You know that, right? I own you guys. I'm getting my counsel ready for this one.
How did we get there? Oh my gosh. Listen, I have the guy with the biggest attitude in court today. Complete jerk. But after this is over, I'm going to show you some bonus updates on his cases, and it's crazy. So stick with me. Here we go.
Subpoenas on Juan Manuel Reyes. Do we have? So CR 2012-605-4, we have a return on the subpoena records.
Your Honor, we have, and maybe the people know why Mr. Esparcia, Christopher Esparcia is here. I don't have him.
Yeah,
Let him figure it out.
Well, no, I'll say I was arrested on a violation of a restraining order misdemeanor. They said, I guess I'm a repeat offender, and they put me in custody, and I don't know why.
And he's not on the
held against my will, pretty much. Misdemeanors get cited for release.
All right, hang in there. We don't have you on our calendar either. Does anybody know what's going on?
Look, can I go home? Shit.
Hold on.
So sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. I apologize. I'm being held on a misdemeanor.
Hey, Mr. Esparcia.
Violation of restraining order.
Hey.
That's it. Why am I in custody?
Don't worry.
Just give us a minute. Did they do it? 53 points. Is he? I'm pretty sure. I think they did not give us the report. Yeah.
While the clerks are figuring that out, can we call Mr. Torres's matter?
Yes. So wait, hold on a second. No cases? We don't have anything? Do we have his true and correct name? Is it Christopher Esparcia?
Christopher Alvin Esparcia. Esparcia.
Got it.
Spellings of first and middle name.
Thank you. Do the people have anything?
No, Judge, but I note that I'm actually familiar with this defendant.
By Yolo County Sheriff's Department.
It looks like he was arrested late yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, for a violation of a restraining order, and that's it. Misdemeanor. Why am I in custody?
So I'm
going to sue the Sheriff's Department for sure. I'm being held against my will. I'm being falsely imprisoned by Yolo County Sheriff's Department. I would like to be released, please. Thank you.
We're figuring that out.
What is PRES?
Okay, see if anything's in the queue. All right, so let's move to, we're looking everywhere to see if there's anything here. And
I have no warrants. I'm not on probation. I'm not on parole. I discharged my parole in 19.
Yeah, we're just going to confirm all of that.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
Your Honor, the only information that we're able to find is that he was booked on 166. I do not see a 853.6 PC DAC, which would allow a person to be kept in custody due to the fact that the offense is likely to continue, and that was a court order violation. And I do recognize name. I do recognize his face, but I do not see a 853.6 stack. So we do not have a report. So I don't know.
I would respectfully like to ask to be released out of custody immediately. Like from my straight taken and released, not even taken in my cell. I have nothing in my cell. I'd like to be released straight out now.
Jerk.
Please. I'm being held for no reason at all. I should have been cited and released, honestly. That's what should have happened. And DPD has a vengeance.
You violate a protection order, you go to jail. It is not hard.
Doesn't like me. That's what it is.
I would, Mr. Esparcia is not represented by the public defender's office, but as a friend of the court, if there's nothing filed, the court has no jurisdiction, neither does the sheriff's department, and he should be released forthwith. Yeah. He should be released.
And compensated.
Yeah, I don't need the friend of the court to tell me that.
Yeah.
And compensated for sure. I think I should get a free Uber.
All right.
Something for sure off top.
Okay.
Off top.
Yeah. Well, you're in a court of law.
I know, I understand.
This is my courtroom. Knock it off.
I'm being held for no reason.
Knock it off now.
I'm shutting up now. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Judge, I guess the jail they'll have to figure out. I don't know, because it looks like they knew that the presumptive bail is $1,000.
All right, so we have nothing filed.
Thank you.
And so, the court has no jurisdiction. Court is making no orders today. He has to be
Thank you
released.
very much, Judge. I sorry for being out of pocket, but thank you for, I own you guys now. You know that, right? I own you guys. I'm getting my counsel ready for this one.
You do what you gotta do, Mr.
Also, my
Esparza.
yellow
Do what you
Department.
All right,
gotta do.
you're
I'm
free
being
to take.
released. I'm out. Thank
Yeah.
you.
You know, ask the jail. I don't know what the jail did.
Okay, well, let's then go to Mr. Jesus Torres, who hopefully will be much more respectful.
He was much more respectful. I got more for you. So, back when I recorded this in 2023, I thought it was odd that he didn't have any cases. So I looked him up on that live stream. We looked it up together, and there was no case. Okay, he did have cases. He does have cases going back to 2022, domestic violence without minor children. 2015, domestic violence with minor children. So I thought for this one that I'm showing you, I would look him up again. He has not learned his lesson, and it's gotten worse. There's another domestic violence in 2023. That's the same one. 2028, 2006. 2008, 2006, 2005 domestic violence, 2024. And there's this one we don't care about, traffic violations, but these are all possession, theft, bringing substances into the prison. But so in 2016 he got a misdemeanor, and a felony, and this felony is closed, but I don't know why it's marked as closed, because it's not. Yes, it is. It's closed. That felony is closed because he pled to some misdemeanors. Okay, so he also had a few competency. He was hospitalized at the state hospital for a couple years waiting. All right. So right now he has one of these is two of these are felonies. Threaten crime with intent to terrorize. Okay. That's from 2024. Bringing controlled substances into the prison. That's from 2024, a felony. And then enhancement, prior serious felony convictions, that was from 2016, and circumstances and aggravation. All right. So the threatened crime with intent to terrorize was dismissed. The prior was dismissed. The aggravation was dismissed. And then he pled nolo to bringing substances into the prison. That's why these others were dismissed. But, all right, he got a public defender back in 2024. All right. Then in September of 2024, they said, that he had competency issues. So they set his bail at $50,000. Back in 2016, same thing. Competency issues, bail was set at $1,000. Bail is now set at $50,000 because his crimes are getting worse. All right. So he was found not competent, and he was placed in the state hospital. And then he was declared competent again after he was there for a while. Well, then he disqualified the judge. He got the judge disqualified. So now he goes in front of Judge Hohenwater, and his next hearing for all of this, which is just his sentencing hearing, because he pled nolo to these charges. So he got out of the state hospital in I don't know when he got out. He got out and he did get out. I promise you. I just don't know when. And then he pled nolo, and now he's getting sentenced. And that is going to be on August 28th. It is August 13th right now. Now, I don't know if YOLO is going to stream this or not. I don't know. I can't make them do anything. But I know how to look up the case. So we will be getting updates on this as it goes forward. With the new judge, because he got the other one dismissed. I don't know how. That's crazy to me. I tried to look at some of the details, but I couldn't find it. I do see that he has petty theft of retail merchandise, and that was from July, which means he was out of the state hospital at least in July because he picked up all these charges. So we'll see. I'm going to keep a very, very, very close eye on this. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for looking at the bonus material. I shall see you all very, very soon. Have a great day. Bye.